Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the options of file menu, basic options of file menu, edit menu, filter menu and view menu and window menu. So all the options, important options, basic options will be discussed in this video and some discussed in next video, and advanced options I have made some other video for advanced options of this filter and view and window and edit and view. You can see that videos also. So start with file menu options. To open the any image or any file of Adobe Photoshop, use the shortcut key Ctrl O, and like this you can open any image from here. Just I open this image, or if you want to create a blank file, go in a new, shortcut key Ctrl N, and you can enter the name of your file here and enter the width of your image, height of your image in pixel, also in inches, in centimeter, millimeter, points, picas and columns. So this is a way to enter the width and height of your image file, and then click on OK. So this will be the blank file according to the width and height given to you will be created. So this is not required to us. And if you want to close your file, current file, click here, close option, Ctrl plus W, and if you want to save your file or create the duplicate of your file, you can use this option, Shift Ctrl S shortcut key, save as command. Open this window, save as window, and select from here where you want to save your file. Desktop, you can save your file on desktop. This in your C drive, D drive in your computer. C drive, D drive is available here, like this. Only a C drive in my computer available here. You can save your file in any location where you want to save. And another option here you can use in this basic option, that is your print with preview option, shortcut key Ctrl P, to see the preview of your file before print. Any image, any file created in Adobe Photoshop, click here, print with preview option. You can see the preview of your image or file, how it will print. Same preview will be visible in this. There is a margin upward and down, you can see that. And if you want to adjust the position, you can adjust from here, and top position in centimeter, left position from centimeter. And if you want to change the height or width of your image, you can change from here. And similarly, if you want to set the background of your image, you can set the background from here like this. And if you want to give border to your image, you can give the border, like enter the value in points, 20 point, 10 point, 30 point, and just only 2, only not a maximum point. You can enter only some point and it will give the border to your image. So this is a way to set your image before print using this print preview option. And there are many other options also, and this will be, I will provide this option how these work in the advanced video. Only these options are sufficient, and then click on done option. And then if you want to print your file, click on this option, shortcut key Alt Ctrl plus P, and proceeds. So print window will be opened here, and you can enter here number of copies you want to print. So then click OK, or you can select from here the name of printer from where you want to print your file, name of printer, then click OK. And if you want to print one copy of your image of your Adobe Photoshop file, you can click on this option, Alt Shift Ctrl plus P, and to exit your Adobe Photoshop, use shortcut key Ctrl Q or exit option. So this is a way to use the basic options of this file menu. And now we will use the option of this view menu. How the options of view menu work. See this, zoom in to zoom your image or file, and zoom out. And similarly, you can use this option in view fit on screen, shortcut key control plus 0, or zoom in shortcut key control plus, or zoom out shortcut key control minus. And if you want to fit your file on your screen, use this option fit on screen. You will see your file will be fitted on the screen like this. And if you want to see the actual pixel of your image before print, it will show you the actual pixel, actual image pixel. When you print, that pixels will be visible on your printing. And if you want to see the print size, how much actual print size of your image when you print this picture, that will show the command print size. And you can again use this option, just zoom out and use the print size option, actual print of the file. So this is a option used to decide to see the actual print size of your image. And now we will use option show grid option. Click on this option, you will see the grid lines on your screen on your file. And if you want to create some like rectangle, ellipse, polygon on your image on your file, click on rectangle tool and draw the image from this box to this box, and draw the another image from this box to draw the image in particular size, or to draw the any rectangle, square or layer, any layer in proper size or proper distance. This option is used, and after utilizing this option, you can use this grid line off. Click on this option to off these grid lines to invisible. Click here to visible these grid lines, and click here to hide these grid lines. So I think you understand. And now we will discuss option of the filter menu. So before using the filter menu, we will open another image to explain this menu, this image, like this image, and use this filter option to give effect to your image. There are many effects like artistic effect, blur effect, and if you want to see these options, how these options work, you can see my advanced videos related to this filter option. In this video, we will discuss only the basics of this filter option to insert effects in your image, in your file: artistic effect, blur effect, brush stroke effect, distortion effect, noisy. All these effects can be used in your file. Just we will use some effects like artistic plate knife. Click on this option and you can adjust the plate knife effect from here, decrease the stroke size and set the stroke detail from here, and softness, how much softness you want to in your file, you can select from here and then click OK. So see that effect of artistic media will apply on your image. So if you want to undo this option, undo this effect, click on this option in edit menu, undo. Any action recently applied by you, you can redo this, you can undo this action using this option Ctrl+Z. Click here and undo this effect. And similarly, go in filter again, you can use the option of blur to make your picture blur, like radial blur. It will give the radial blur to your image. You can set the blur from here and click OK, and the blur effect will be given to your image. So there are so many effects which can be given by you to your image from selecting the any effect from here. If you want to see or learn the detail of these filter options, you can go in my special videos related to each effect: artistic separate video of blur, separate video of brush strokes, and you can learn how these options work from here. So in this video only just basics of all these options we are discuss. So just again we use this option undo rebulb. Okay, so you can see that. And similarly, if you want, just I will select from here a rectangle marquee tool, and you want to copy any part of this image, select any part in rectangle form. You can select in elliptical form also. From here elliptical marquee tool you can use to select any part of your image, and then you go in edit and you can cut that part, selected part, using the shortcut key Ctrl X, or you can copy that part and then go in that image, and you want to, if you want to place here, use paste option, shortcut key Ctrl V to paste that image. And if you want to reduce the size of this image, you can reduce the size of this image from here like this. You can reduce the size of this image and you can put the image anywhere, and you can rotate the image also like this. So then apply this option, and if you want to give outline to this layer, this is a layer outline. If you want to give the outline to this layer, go in edit option, click on this option stroke. To give the outline effect, enter the width of your outline effect and select the color from here which you want to give this image outline. Click OK and then click OK. So you will see the outline will be given to this image. So using this option you can give the outline. And similarly, if you want to use the transformation, you want to use this option to give scale to your selected layer or selected image, or rotate. You can use skew option, distortion option. Only few of them I will apply in this image. You can rotate at 190 degree, rotate 90 degree, or you can use the perspective option, and you can use the flip horizontally. All these options can be applied on this layer, selected layer. Just I will apply this skew option. You will see skew option, when you will apply, you can move the picture. Just hold the mouse left button like this. You can give that effect, that transformation to your image, and then click on move tool to apply this transformation. Or if you want to rotate this image, you can rotate from here. And if you want to give the perspective or distortion effect, you can give the like this distortion effect, and you can distort that image like this in any direction or any way like this. So this is a way to give the effect to your transformation effect to your image or any layer selected by you, or you can rotate that image rotate at 180 degree like this. You can rotate all selected image from here horizontal form like this. So these are the transformation effect which can be used by you. And similarly, so see this option, the latest action applied by us 10, 15, last action applied by us can be backward from there. Step backward, shortcut key Alt Control Z like this. Or it will back your all step followed recently. Again and again you can go back. See. And if you want to use step forward, it will again, the backward step will be forward by this option Shift Ctrl plus Z. Click here to forward your step like this. So this option backward your current applied option, current applied actions, and this option forward your current applied actions, current applied actions. So I think you understand what I mean to say. So next option we will use in this edit menu. So next follow the next option, that is your, before following the next option, just we will create a rectangle here. So create a rectangle here like this, and if I want to give outline to this mask rectangle, it is called mask rectangle also, and you can fill the stroke in this like this. From here you can fill the outline, enter the width of outline just before I have done like this, and click OK. And if you want to fill the color in this mask outline selected rectangle, use this option, fill option. You can fill the color in foreground color, you can fill background color, you can fill, and you can fill the pattern also, and select the pattern here, and you will see a pattern will be filled in this image. Or if you want to fill the foreground color, that color sky color will be filled in this image. And if you want to fill the background color, select here the background color, and the background color you can see that light red color will be filled in this rectangle. So this is option used to fill the color in mask rectangle which is created by you, and this is used to give outline to your rectangle. And this option, free transform, to increase or decrease the size of your, or to rotate the size of your selected layer. Click here, shortcut key Ctrl T, you can increase that size of your layer like this, and reduce the size of your layer, or you can rotate your like this layer. So I think you understand how we can use this free transform. You can apply this option on any layer of your selected layer. So I think you understand the option, how these options work very well. So in this video we will follow the another option of window. So this also contain many options which can be fastly used in our Photoshop, just like tools which are used by us. You can hide these tools from here, and you can again unhide and hide these rules from here, tools, and use this option to hide this option toolbar like this option toolbar you can hide or unhide from here. And if you want to use this option file browser, you will see a file browser window will be opened, and from here you can insert images or any Photoshop images or any JPG images in your file, just clicking on this. That image will be inserted in your file to insert the file quickly from here. So I think you understand how this option work. And similarly, next option is navigation. Navigation is used to zoom in, zoom out your image, file image, or you can say that your file, and you can enter the percentage here, how much zooming you want, 80%, 40%, 20%, and Navigator will display the image, complete image of your complete file of your this Photoshop. And if you want to hide this, you can hide from here. So another option is color. This option is used to change the color of your foreground. This foreground color you can change from here, clicking here, or you can fastly change from here. This is a eyedropper. Click here, which color you want, like this. You can insert that color from here. So I think you understand how this option is used. And similarly, if you will use this switch option, you will see all color will be available in small boxes, and you can select any color from here, and that color you will select it will be available in foreground color. So I think you understand how this option used. And next option is style, and this contain many style options. And if you will insert any rectangle, any ellipse on your file, and you can use this style in this rectangle, ellipse inserted by you in like this. So these are the windows which help to use these options quickly. And then next option is layer. See, this option is layer. This is a layer window which will display all the layers created in this file. You know that we create the layers in Adobe Photoshop. If you want to see all layers, you can click here like this. All layers will be visible in this window. And if you want to use the brushes provided by this Adobe Photoshop, use from here the brushes option, and you will see all brushes are available when you will use brush tool, pencil tool. So in that case, that window will help to select the brush which you want to use in your file. So it's a very great time to learn all these things and easy way to use these brushes in your file. And this will display here how your brush will work in this window. So you can use that brush from here, selecting any brush quickly from here to use in your image. So these are the ways to use these options of window, view options, filter options, edit options and file options.